Welcome, Josh.
How's it going, mate?
All right, mate. What week are we in?
50.
50. 50. That's nearly one whole year's worth of CSONS at homes. Pretty impressive. And that's how long COVID's been going on. Wow. Well, even longer than that.
Yeah.
Anyway, what have we done this week, Josh? We've gone sort of Spanishy with a bit of an American vibe going on, is that what
I guess on the start was kind of American, but we've made it a bit Spanishy with some smoked paprika, I guess. But yeah, it's so starter is smoked haddock chowder, lovely smoked haddock from McNeil's. Sort of spiced that with a bit of turmeric, nice leeks in there rather than onions, and obviously some potatoes. And then we have got poached Hollowdean hen's egg on top, a bit of smoked paprika, and this has got parsley on, but yours will have chives, and a bit of delicious olive oil from the olive press.
Josh has been out foraging again for course number 2 on our nice new plates as well from Wenlock Pottery. We've had some new plates made during lockdown.
Really cool. So this is pretty Spanishy kind of classic, I guess. Pork in almond sauce. So Strawberry Fields farm pork in like a nice rich almond sauce. Got some braised lentils underneath that, and then we got it's going to be spring greens with some nettles, onions and garlic, all sort of tossed together, fried up a bit like almost a Spanishy kind of stir fry. Some almonds in there as well, and then we've got this nice puree on top that is made with wild garlic and wild garlic puree on top. So there you go.
Tasty.
Yeah, pretty good.
And then to finish, a bit of a classic. I actually don't know the exact details of it, but it's an almond cake.
Yeah.
Like a torta de almendra in Spanish. And then there's an almond brittle on the side, or almond snap. And is it a chocolate cream, Josh?
Chocolate and coffee.
Yeah, chocolate and coffee, next level. That's really Spanish. Yeah. I like it. Yeah. Good vibes.
Nice.
And some nice custom done splats that are already on our new plate, which we like very much.
Yeah.
So, this is week 50. This is delicious. 3 courses, come as a meal kit as per usual. Order online at CSONS.uk, where you can also see loads of other stuff. There's wine and blah blah blah. What else do we need to know? I think that's about it, isn't it? We can deliver it anywhere in the country pretty much. Enjoy it. See you next week.